The church service was attended by members of Ijebu Ode branch of the Nigerian Bar Association, including a 92-year-old legal practitioner, Chief Oluneye Okuboyejo. One of the two lessons of the service was taken by a member of the association, Olubukola Olusada. Reverend Olufemi Ghana, in a sermon, described harvest as part of yearly yield which Christians give to God with a heart of gratitude for His goodness and protection. He stressed the importance of giving to God wholeheartedly in order to receive more blessings, adding that givers never lack. Congratulating members of the Bar Association for the celebration of the 2025 Bar Week, the cleric admonished them to always perform their duties with the fear of God. Thereafter, the MBA members danced to the altar to appreciate God. Chairman of the association, Professor Fasi Yusuf, and Chief Olu Okuboyejo spoke more on the church service and the ministration.
We are here to praise worship. We are here to thank the Almighty God. Naturally, to inspire us. So we were inspired, and we are spiritually rejuvenated. And you can be sure that more of spirituality, more of benevolence, more of guidance will come our way.
It does. Not only just for the elderly ones, but even for the younger ones. You will find that a crux of them, right from primary, secondary, up to university students, they are all there today to see what happens as between the legal and the faith. You know, a good number of them who are, we see that they also can become, something in life.
The 27th annual Bar Week of the Ijebu Ode branch of the Nigerian Bar Association continues on Monday, 7th of July with tree planting, legal clinic, and awareness. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.